Are you ready to build a successful career in tech? Hi, my name is Chidinma. Let us talk about the game-changing tech skills that will land you a high-paying jobs in the year 2024. In 2024, the job market is craving one thing: the tech skills. From web design and development, digital marketing to data analysis and so much more. These digital skills are the golden ticket to landing those well-paying jobs faster than ever before. Why? This is because the world is evolving, and so should you. It is time to unlock your future for opportunities with tech skills. Learning tech skills isn't just about gadgets. It is about securing your spot in the digital world full of opportunities. Think about this. Companies are hungry for tech-savvy individuals. If you have digital tech skills in high demand, there are so many opportunities out there waiting for you both in Nigeria and in abroad. With these tech skills, you can be in Nigeria and work for companies outside Nigeria and earn in dollars. The future is yours to conquer, and it starts with becoming a tech expert. If you're ready to build a future in tech, visit our website and view 10 digital skills that will help you get well-paying jobs faster and how you can learn them. The opportunities are endless. Click now to get started, and I can't wait to have you in class. Bye!